Yun. So, today is Palabok Day. Kuha po muna tayo ng blood sugar reading bago kumain. Here you go. Tapos compare po natin to dun sa blood sugar reading yesterday. Pansit bihon pala, sorry. Kinain natin kahapon. Yan. Yun. 106. Perfect. Tamang-tama yung blood sugar reading. Ayos. So, balikan ko po kayo after 1 hour. Tapos we'll take blood sugar reading again. Palabok Day, guys. 1 hour na. Time na para kumuha ng blood sugar reading. So, nag-start po tayo ng 106. We'll see. Ano na yung reading now? Oops. Yo. Ano natin? Yung reading. So, balik po ulit ako after an hour and we'll see kung ano yung magiging final blood sugar reading. And then I'll compare the results sa pansit bihon that I ate yesterday. See you guys. Pansit Palabok Day. 2 hours na po after kung kumain ng pansit palabok. So, oras na po para mag blood reading again. So, this will be the final blood reading for today. And then we'll compare. Ow, sakit yun ah. Yan. We'll see. Oops. Kita po ba? 149. So, hindi ko po masabi if I'll recommend palabok, pero it seems na over siya ng 140. So remember, 140 and below. 140 po yung threshold natin or below. So siguro with a little bit of exercise pwede siya. So here's the comparison. Pag pinlat ko po sila side by side, pansit bihon and pansit palabok. So, mas mabilis pong boba yung blood sugar pag sa palabok. Pansit bihon, the last reading that we had was 160, so versus 149. So again, hindi ko po sila ma-recommend pareho. Yun. Tomorrow I'll try a different one, yung pansit canton, if it's available. Tapos we'll compare yung tatlong different kinds of pansit na yan.